Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of upgrading the RAM and hard drive on your HP 15's fq2149ns. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic pry tool. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and preventing any static damage. Begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Before opening the laptop, it's important to ground yourself. Use the anti-static wrist strap to avoid damaging sensitive components. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove all screws, keeping them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic pry tool to lift the back panel off. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the RAM slots and the hard drive. Let's start with the RAM upgrade. Identify the RAM sticks currently installed. If you are replacing an existing stick, gently push the clips on the sides of the RAM slot outward to release the old RAM. Then, take your new RAM stick and align it with the slot before pressing down firmly until the clips click back into place. Now, let's move on to the hard drive. Locate the hard drive bay, which is usually secured by a bracket. Remove any screws holding it in place. If you find this task challenging, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to upgrade your laptop without hassle. Once the bracket is removed, gently pull the old hard drive from its connector. Insert the new hard drive by aligning it with the connector and pushing down until it's firmly connected. Secure it with the bracket you previously removed. Before you close the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the interior of the laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and components. This will help maintain optimal airflow and performance. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it snaps back into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightly secured but not over-tightened. Lastly, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check your system settings to confirm that the new RAM and hard drive are recognized. If everything is working correctly, congratulations on successfully upgrading your HP 15's fq2149ns. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency and costs. No calls, no travel, we make it convenient for you. Thanks for watching, and happy upgrading. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.